today's video, I'm gonna do a makeup look that was inspired by the Dreamworks logo. I've been watching a lot of movies, specifically animated movies, because I love cartoons. And yeah, the palette I'm gonna be using today is called the Beauty Bay Bright Matte Palette. I just bought it. I can't wait to use it. It's a 42 color palette and it looks like this. Like, are you kidding? I haven't swatched any of the colors, but yeah, let's just get into this makeup. I already did my brows and my face because I wanted to go ahead and get that out the way, right? And the only thing we gotta do is the makeup. So like, let's just get to it. Oh, and before I do anything, I like to moisturize my lips. I can't do nothing with dry lips, like, and I'll just be using my baby lip. The first shade I'm gonna go in with is really pretty. I don't know what's it called. It's called Blue. Like, that is so cute. And the brush I'll be using is the Morphe M433 brush. Shade Stormy Night, which is like right beside it. And because it's like really blue, I'm not gonna put too much because I really want to add some black in there, you know, to incorporate the midnight black sky of the Dreamworks photo, you know. This black shade, and I think it's called Illicit. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what it's called. And I'm not gonna use too much because blacks tend to be really pigmented. Blended out both of the colors and I look like a cake. Now it's time to cut my crease. Since I'm gonna be working with clouds today, I'm gonna use a white concealer. I'm just using the LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm gonna pack on that first shade, which is blue, and I'm gonna put that over the lid. I ended up finding my flat brush, and it's the Morphe 213 brush. I'm gonna go back in with that black shade and blend out the edges. Now it's time to move on to the clouds, and I'm using the same concealer and the same flat brush to do the clouds. I pray for me because I don't know how this gonna look. Now I'm taking the same shades that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna bluff it out on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my ColourPop gel liner to match the cloud. And the lashes I'm gonna be using 3D mink lashes, and they're called Goo Goo. And for my glue, I always use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Lash Glue. Now I'm about to take one of my favorite palettes, Aurora Lights palette, and I'm gonna be using it to add like just some press-on glitter. I'm gonna be using this silver shade. Now I'm gonna use the Milani holographic highlighter, and I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks, my nose, and it looks like this. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm also gonna put it in my tear duct. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I almost struggled doing this look, but it ended up turning out really good. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.